Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is adopt, a versatile verb that means to take something as your own, whether it's an idea, a method, or even welcoming a child into your family. This word is a fantastic addition to your vocabulary, especially at the B2 level, as it's useful in both everyday and professional conversations. To understand adopt, let's start with its definition. When you adopt something, you accept it as your own or begin to use it. For example, a company might adopt a new strategy to improve efficiency, or a family might adopt a child and welcome them into their home. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for adopt. Words like embrace, take on, and accept can be used in similar contexts. For instance, instead of saying, "The school decided to adopt a new teaching method," you could say, "The school decided to embrace a new teaching method." Another example is, "She chose to accept his suggestion for the project." These words share the same idea of making something your own. On the other hand, antonyms help us see the contrast. Opposites of adopt include reject, abandon, and dismiss. For example, "The committee decided to reject the proposed changes" contrasts sharply with "the committee decided to adopt the proposed changes." Another example could be, "He chose to dismiss the new approach instead of adopting it." In everyday life, adopt is used in a variety of ways. You might adopt a healthier lifestyle by eating better and exercising more. A business could adopt new technology to stay competitive. On a more personal level, you could adopt a pet from a shelter, giving it a loving home. These are all meaningful ways this word connects to our daily experiences. Let's practice using adopt in a few sentences. The city council voted to adopt new environmental policies. She decided to adopt a positive attitude despite the challenges. They were thrilled to adopt a beautiful baby girl. Each sentence shows how adopt can fit into different contexts. To wrap up, we've learned that adopt means to take something as your own, whether it's an idea, a practice, or even a child. We explored synonyms like embrace and accept, and antonyms like reject and abandon. We also looked at how adopt is used in real-life situations. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, try creating your own sentence using adopt and share it with us in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and growing.